Hey guys, this is me, Christian from Learning Kendama, and yeah, follow Chewy240 if you want for like crazy stuff. Sponsor. Okay, so I'm here with my cousin Marvin and one of my editors, Chewy. Okay, so today we're gonna learn the trick called airplane. Step 1, put Tama in your hand. After that, have your legs spread apart a little bit, one foot in front, however you want it. After that, string is pointing to you, tilt it a little bit to you. After that, you gotta let it go, swing, and spike it. That's how you do airplane. And something else, you should have your knees bent when you catch it. It goes like that, bend it, so you can have more accuracy of doing it. This has been Christian from Learning Kendama and Marvin and Chewy. If you want to follow him, this is his. Go subscribe him on Vine and YouTube. His name's Chewy240. Whoever's interested, go follow my cousin. Yep. So this has been Christian from Learning Kendama and Marvin. Hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos of edits of me playing and Marvin or me teaching you guys how to do tricks.